Hello students, this is Mrs. Alonso speaking. I am going to read aloud to you your end of Unit 1 assessment. After I read each question, please pause my video and do the math on your screen. When you're ready to move on to the next question, press play on my video again. Let's begin. Question number 1. Polyhedron P is a cube with a corner removed and relocated to the top of P. Q is a cube. How do their surface areas compare? P's surface area is less than Q's surface area. P's surface area is equal to Q's surface area. P's surface area is greater than Q's surface area. There is not enough information given to compare their surface areas. Please select the correct choice. Pause the video now. Question number 2. Select all of the nets that can be folded and assembled into a triangular prism like the one shown. So look at A, B, C, and D. Select all that could be folded into this triangular prism. Pause the video and answer on your screen. Question number 3. A cube has a side length of 8 inches. Select all the values that represent the cube's volume in cubic inches. 8 squared, 8 to the third power, 6 times 8 squared, 6 times 8, or 8 times 8 times 8. Again, select all that apply. Pause and do the math. Question number 4. This question has 2 parts, so we will pause between each question. Number 1. A square has a side length of 9 centimeters. What is its area? Pause and do the math. Remember, it's a square and it has a side length of 9 centimeters. Find the area. Part 2 of question 4. A square has an area of 9 centimeters squared. What is one side length? Again, question 2, a square has an area of 9 centimeters squared. What is the side length? Pause and do the math. Question number 5. For each pair of numbers, circle the number that is greater. So directions are, for each pair of numbers, circle the number that is greater. Number 1, 13 squared or 15 squared. Choose the one that is greater. Pause and do the math. Question 2 for number 5. Which one is greater? 7 times 6 squared or 6 to the third power? Pause and do the math. Question 3 of question 5. Which is greater? 10 to the third power or 30 squared? Pause and do the math. Question number 6. A rectangular prism has dimensions of 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 5 centimeters. What is its surface area? Explain or show your reasoning. Pause and do the math. Question number 7. Here is a net made of right triangles and rectangles. All measurements are given in centimeters. This question has 2 parts. We will start with question number 1. If the net was folded and assembled, what type of polyhedron would it make? Pause and answer this question. Question number 2. What is the surface area of the polyhedron? Explain your reasoning. So you'll need to find the area of each piece and then put those areas together. Pause and do the math. Question number 8. A rectangular prism has dimensions of 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Explain how you determined the surface area in the previous problem. Pause and answer this question. That brings us to the end of this test. Review your answer choices and submit. Thank you. Good job.